Ready, Alliance?
Hurrah!
Toothy, I'm not too sure. I mean, I don't want to be a wet blanket, but I don't think this is as cool an idea as I thought it would be.
Nonsense! How could this be a bad idea?
I'm on PA's side here. This isn't looking good.
Come on, Fly Swat. This will be a pinch.
Cinch. This'll be a cinch, you mean?
Bye-bye.
Nice weather we're
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Franklin County in central Kentucky, Spencer County in central Kentucky, Nelson County in central Kentucky, northeastern Bullitt County in central Kentucky, Shelby County in central Kentucky, Anderson County in central Kentucky, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Bardstown, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Shelbyville, Bardstown, Lawrenceburg, Taylorsville, Mount Washington, Bloomfield, Elmberg, Hatton, Drydock, Klondike, Fox Creek, Waterford, Samuels Field Airport, Crenshaw, Joyce, Pacoda, Chaplin, Wilsonville, Hooper and Olive Branch. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Report severe weather to local law enforcement. Post your report to the National Weather Service Louisville Facebook page, or tweet your report using hashtag LMKSpotter. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for central Kentucky.
Cool. Whenever I'm around evil, I change into Ghost Rider.
See tonight, yo.
I believe so. On February 16th.
You're freaking me out.
The adventure begins. That's right. Ghost Rider. You alright? Yeah, I'm good. I feel like my skull's on fire, but I'm good. Rated PG-13.